This is the Fringe Sport Wonder Bar, and on paper, it looks like just another Olympic barbell. But here's the thing. After putting it through real workouts, from heavy squats to high-rep CrossFit-style sessions, I realized something. This bar punches way above its price point. The question is it actually good enough to replace a premium barbell? Or are there hidden trade-offs you'll regret later? Let's break it down. Fringe Sport Wonder Bar Olympic Barbell. So what exactly are we looking at? The Fringe Sport Wonder Bar Olympic Barbell is a multi-purpose Olympic barbell designed by Fringe Sport, a Texas-based company known for affordable, durable gym equipment. It's been a staple in their lineup for years, aimed squarely at home gym owners, CrossFit enthusiasts, and anyone who wants solid performance without spending $400+ on a bar. The key selling point? Versatility. This bar is built to handle everything: Olympic lifts, powerlifting, and general strength training, without specializing too heavily in one area. And it usually sits in that sweet spot around the $200 range, which makes it super appealing for budget-conscious lifters. Fringe Sport Wonder Bar Olympic Performance. I used the Wonder Bar across a full week of workouts. Deadlifts, squats, bench press, and even some Olympic-style lifts like cleans and snatches. And honestly, it's surprisingly well balanced. The 28.5mm shaft hits a sweet middle ground. It's not too thick for Olympic lifts, but not too thin for powerlifting either. That means you can switch between heavy deadlifts and quick cleans without feeling like you're using the wrong tool. The knurling is another highlight. It's medium depth, not too aggressive, not too passive. So during high rep workouts, it doesn't tear up your hands. But when you go heavy, it still gives you enough grip confidence. Now, spin is where things get interesting. It uses bronze bushings instead of bearings, so you're not getting that ultra-smooth Olympic-level spin. But for most people, it's more than enough. The bar rotates consistently without feeling sluggish. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few standout features and why they actually matter. 1. 190k psi tensile strength. This basically tells you how much stress the bar can handle before deforming. In real life, it means you can load it heavy without worrying about permanent bending. For most lifters, this is more than enough headroom. 2. Dual knurl marks. The bar includes both Olympic and powerlifting knurl marks. That's huge because it makes positioning easier whether you're doing bench press or cleans. You don't have to guess your grip width. It's already marked. 3. Bronze bushings. Instead of expensive needle bearings, this bar uses bushings. That keeps the cost down while still delivering smooth rotation. Unless you're a competitive Olympic lifter, you probably won't notice the difference. Design and build. Aesthetically, Fringe Sport kept things clean and functional. The bar typically comes with a black zinc or bare steel finish, depending on the version you choose. In hand, it feels solid. The shaft isn't overly slick, and the knurling gives it that ready-for-work vibe. The sleeves spin smoothly and fit standard Olympic plates without any issues. One thing to note, if you go with bare steel, you'll need to maintain it. Think brushing and occasional oiling to prevent rust, but that's pretty standard at this price point. Pros. Versatile for multiple lifting styles. Comfortable, well-balanced knurling. Durable build with high tensile strength. Cons. Bushings instead of bearings. Less ideal for elite Olympic lifting. Finish options may require maintenance. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth your money? If you're building a home gym and want one bar to do it all, the Fringe Sport Wonder Bar Olympic Barbell is honestly a no-brainer. It's reliable, versatile, and hits that sweet spot between performance and affordability. If you're a competitive Olympic weightlifter chasing perfect spin and whip, you might want to invest in a higher-end bar with needle bearings. But for 90% of people, seriously, this bar delivers everything you need. It's the kind of product that doesn't try to be flashy. It just works. And sometimes, that's exactly what you want.